I really see something that said, take a look at what happened.
The tragic event of the assassination attempt on presidential candidate and former president Donald Trump underscores the ongoing risk to American leaders, echoing a history of assassination attempts and plots against US presidents and candidates. From the early 19th century to the present day, the spectre of violence lingers over the nation's highest office. Trump becomes a part of a long list of sitting and former US presidents who have been victims of either assassinations or assassination attempts throughout American history. Among the 45 individuals who have held the presidency, 4 were assassinated during their terms. The assassinations of Abraham Lincoln in 1865 and John F. Kennedy in 1963 are pivotal events in US history. The killings of James Garfield in 1881 and William McKinley in 1901 also profoundly impacted the nation at the time, although less prominent in collective memory. Robert F. Kennedy, who was a presidential candidate, was also assassinated in 1968. Presidential candidates have also faced assassination attempts in the past. Franklin D. Roosevelt faced 5 shots just 17 days before his presidential inauguration in February 1933, while President Gerald Ford narrowly escaped 2 separate assassination attempts in September 1975. Attempts to assassinate Theodore Roosevelt in 1912, George Wallace in 1972, and Harry S. Truman in 1950 are relatively lesser known. The last American president to be shot at was Ronald Reagan. He was seriously wounded and required emergency surgery in 1981. Reports indicate that Donald Trump, however, is out of danger and is recuperating from the recent attack on his life. Bureau Report, India Today Global.